All right, guys, thanks for joining. And we want to talk about our trade-in to trade-up program. We offer opportunities for customers to sell their electronic devices back to us, and they can trade up to new devices too as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over the trade-in process and the buyback process through our websites and show you the steps that we take in order to lock in these deals. So we're going to go straight to, as you see, I'm going to be logging into the site, techycompany.com. You're going to go to sell and trade. Once you click sell and trade, you're going to go to, if they're going to come into your store, you can accept there, but most of you are going to do mail-ins. So you're going to select mail-in. You're going to scroll down. You're going to choose your product. So let's say this particular product is the AirPods, and this generation is the AirPod Pros. So AirPods, the Pros, these are the second generations. You're going to go for what's the condition of them. So you're going to take a look at it, and you're going to see the condition. We're going to check the condition. This one's a little scratched up. So I'm going to say this is an average condition. If you look at average, it's going to tell you what average is. One of the biggest things we need to make sure that is authentic and original. Okay. You also can select excellent, and it'll tell you what excellent is, and also tell you new. Okay. So these are the different tiers that you can select. So we're going to select average on this. We're going to confirm the condition. We're going to go ahead and put the person that's bringing it in. So if your particular store has a store number, you can do store number, but in this case, I'm going to put my name. I'm going to use my store email. And I'm going to get the offer. Once you select and get the offer to do mail-in, it's going to automatically generate you a price that you can offer to the customer. So for this particular one, we're going to offer them $35. And we are going to, if you have multiple devices, you can add multiple devices. If it's just one, you select one. You select get paid. It's going to ask you for the email. And then there's steps on how you're going to pay them. In this case, we're going to do store credit. And then you're going to put your location of where you're at. You're going to continue that. As you see, and it is going to submit this trade-in or buyback. Once it's submitted, it automatically prints. It's going to email the store, and it's automatically going to print them a label and an opportunity with a tracking number. So this is going to allow you to grab the product. So remember, this is going to get sent to your email. You're going to grab the product. We use UPS. You're going to put it into a package like this. It's going to have the instructions right here on what you need to do. And you're going to put it on the package and send it out. And it's going to have all the details that you need and where it's going to. Now, if you want to put multiple items in there, you're welcome to. You can use one label. You can separate each label. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. If this label doesn't get used within 30 days, it gets knocked off. So it's not a big deal if you don't use the label. Okay, so then once that happens, you're going to get an automatic email. So as we see here, we're going to go to our emails. We're going to see, okay, I see a trade-in to get paid. So that's what you're going to look in, trade-in confirmation. You're going to see the order details, so you can press that, and it's going to open up the details. You can print your label, as you see right here. And when you go to print label, it's going to be these exact paperwork that I showed to you. And then the second page, which is important, so if you're going to give store credit, there's going to be a SKU. You're going to scan that SKU, and it's going to go right into your point of sale system to credit the customer if they're buying something else. And it'll have all the details right there. So make sure you have that barcode and you scan it. So when you print out these two papers, you're going to want that barcode too as well, as you see in this. And the barcode order is an order number. It starts with LB. All right, so that's where you're at on that particular product. And now if you want to look at maybe the same, maybe you sent out this package and you want to see what the process has been, you can go and you can see the history of your store, of what you purchased, and you can see what's the process, where it's at, where does it stand, have you been paid out, etc. So, and you see all the store information right here. And if you want to select that particular one, it'll send you right there. And you'll see it says the package has been sent. Once UPS scans it, it's in process. And once it's completed, it's going to give you all the details you need. And the URL that you're going to use to see is going to be attached in that email. So that's where you're going to be able to see all your product. Say this particular item has been canceled. You can press cancel trade-in, put the reason why, and that order will be canceled, and you'll see that right there in your past orders. So this is a little bit of a details. We take in any trading, anything with a button, we will purchase, and you'll go right onto our website as we showed you in the trade-in process, and it's gonna have everything you need. It's gonna automatically generate a price for the trade-in, and you'll see all the details there. So it's gonna tell you everything from on the website to the printouts that you receive. So this is a little bit about what the trade-in process is and what we do for buybacks. So thank you so much. We're excited to launch this with you guys and hope that you leverage it. It's huge opportunities in making money.